Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity. Use the registered mobile number and Aadhaar or employee ID so the system recognizes you. Once done, open the Poshan Tracker app or web portal and tap Login, then forgot password to start the reset flow. Make sure your phone receives SMS for 2FA. Without it, you cannot complete verification. You want to act now while documents and your phone are at hand, because the portal times out and you may need to reinitiate the process. You will receive an OTP. Enter it promptly to validate your session and prevent expiry. Next, complete any additional verification such as biometric prompt or security questions. These steps confirm identity and prevent unauthorized access. Then you reach the password creation screen. Choose a strong new password with at least 8 characters combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol so the account stays secure. Once you submit, wait for confirmation. Before proceeding to login, you finish by logging in with the new password and verifying your profile details to ensure the change applied correctly. If login fails, try forgot password again, clear app cache, or reinstall the app to remove stale session data. These steps often resolve sync problems. If you still cannot reset due to OTP not arriving or Aadhaar mismatch, contact the Poshan help desk with the reference ID shown during the reset attempt so support can trace and resolve the issue efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.